Today we're installing the RadiaLED Rapid Pro. It's such a versatile fitting. The RadiaLED Pro is great for outdoors. The slimline works well internally, and they even have a square for retrofit installations. Outside we fitted the Pro because it's IP65, IK10 and has 4 conduit entries. Inside, the customer wanted something a little bit more streamlined, so we went for the slim. All the RadiaLED fittings come with a detachable terminal block, which is great for installation because you can just move it out of the way and pop it back in. I love that all of the modules are interchangeable, the microwave sensor, photocell and emergency modules, and they all come with plug and play colour-coded leads. It's pretty idiot-proof. All the RadiaLEDs are colour selectable and wattage selectable, which is great if you're working to a lighting schedule because the same fitting can do everything. The RadiaLED Slim has a 5-port gasket in the back, which is great for multiple cable entries and maintains the IP65 rating, making the Slim perfect for bathrooms. The hinged LED gear tray is great because you can just pop it out the way, make your connections and just clips back in. No need to get down the ladder and pick it up. JCC have really thought about the range. I've spent some time with the product development team, which has been great, giving some input, and you can really tell with the products that they're made with an installer in mind.